Ponmugil Metric School. Knowledge is the key to success.
Good morning, children. Let us come back to E-class of Ponmugil Metric School. Let us see, we are going to learn the new topic, time. Time is very important in our life. So we tell us to the time each and every day. Time is gold. So we can learning about the time each and every moment to combine with all the cases. Okay, shall we go now?
Students, let us going on that new topic, Unit 5, time. There are two pictures given below. Express the time in terms of AM and PM. Look at the pictures very carefully. In the above pictures, both the clock shows 9 o'clock only. When we see to that both clock is shows 9 o'clock, but truly difference a small moment. 9 o'clock in the morning is 9 AM. 9 o'clock in the night is 9 PM. That is equal to one to each other, small difference. The full form of AM is ante-meridiem, and then PM refers to post-meridiem. It is deeply to correction to the idea of understanding of that AM to PM. Look at that other pictures. From the pictures, we have to classify AM to PM. How to calculate it? Let's go. Midnight, from midnight 12 o'clock to up to noon 12 o'clock, it is refers to AM. That is here 12 hours. Next, from noon 12 o'clock up to midnight 12 o'clock is refers to PM. And the totally one to each other, 12 hours to 12 hours, it will be given 24 hours. It is shows only one day. Do you understand? Okay. Next, do you self? Write the time using AM or PM. First one has to done for you. For example, 8 o'clock in the morning. That is refers to morning is means 8 AM. Next 4 o'clock in the evening. That is shows 4 o'clock, 4 PM. Next third one, 10 o'clock in the night. That is 10 PM. 5 hours afternoon. The noon is refers to 12 o'clock. To adding the 5 hours, it is called 5 PM. 3 hours before noon, you have to subtract from 12 to 3. 12 வந்து நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணணும், 3 subtraction பண்ணோம்னா that is shows only AM, 9 PM, sorry 9 AM. And also relate to 24-hour clock with respect to 12-hour clock. The clock is very different to normal clock. It is according to using combined with standard time and railway time to source on, that is 24 hours. Look at the left side, midnight to noon. From start midnight 12 o'clock, that is refers to start 0 to 11:59. It is called railway time. At the same time, we shows that 24 clock does not have AM and PM. At railway times, we cannot measure that AM or PM. Okay, noon to midnight. நூன்னா தெரியும், நடுப்பகல். அந்த நடுப்பகலிருந்து இரவு நேரத்தை நம்ம 12 to 23.59. The hours start to 0 and go through 23. Convert 24 hours clock to 12 hour clock. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம்னா 24 hour clockல நம்ம 12 hour clockை நம்ம ஈஸியாக வந்து கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணலாம். Example, look at the time on this digital clock. We mostly to using the digital clock that is only shows that number. For example, 20 hours to 27 minutes. Is it evening? Come, let's go. The clock says 20 hours and 27 minutes. Subtract 12 from 20 hours. Already well known about that standard time. We should subtract from 20 hours. It will be increasing 8. So 20 subtracted to 12, the balance remaining hours 8 o'clock. There is no change in minutes. So it will be adding with 8 o'clock. The final we can refer that 8:27 p.m. Okay. Next, to change time to 12 hour clock, just subtract 12 from the hour. Now the time we can understanding only how to calculate it with the railway time. To convert 12 hour clock to 24 hour clock. Think it. 1 p.m. becomes 13 in 24. In a railway time 24ல நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம்னா நம்ம 1 மணி ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டைமில் சொல்லும்போது it is 1 adding to 12. That is called 13 in 20 hour clocks. Is it same to like that same example? 1 becomes 1 a.m. It will be converted to from railway time. It is form of 1 a.m. 12 is a ordinary standard time. That is adding with a.m. or p.m. It will be mentioned only 12 is a source 12 p.m. 30 becomes 1 p.m. That is 12 to next number 1. That is a standard time 1 p.m. Okay. Are you sure understanding to convert it to railway time to standard time? Okay. We will see the next topic next class. Hello students. To continue the topic, to change time to 24 hour clock, just add 12 to the hour. From these sentences we can calculate the difference between railway time to standard time. Already well known the standard time is here. To mention about that all the cases 12 o'clock, but changes at railway time, it will be adding 1 by 1. After 12 it is increasing order up to finishing 24. The 24 is a railway time to measure that all the case. We have to learning further activities. Try the slider, convert the following clock time into 24 hour time. Already well known that standard time is mentioned 12. It is converted to up to railway time 24 hours time. Let me see the two example or done for you. Already well done to the time. For example, 12 hour, that refers to 24 hour. It will be adding 12 to 12, it is equal to 24 hour. That is mentioned only railway time. Next, 4:25 a.m. 4 hour and 25 minutes a.m. It is refers to in front of that calculator converted the railway time. It is mentioned 04 and 25 minutes. Okay, not mention that whether am or pm. Next we are going to learn 9:20 am. It is refers to at a railway time 09 and 20. Not mention that am or pm. Next 6:30 pm refers to that is 06 and 30. Do you understanding about that first example? We are going to second example. Let us going on. How to convert the following clock time into 12-hour time? That is going on. And 24 hour, it is refers to 12 hour. How to calculate it? From railway time 24 hour subtracted from 12. 12 வந்து நம்ம 24லேருந்து சப்ராக்ஷன் பண்ணோம்னா remaining balance hour, that is called standard time 12 hour. Next 11, it is refers to no change at all the time in between the standard to railway time. That is mentions only the same am 11 am. Next 8 o'clock refers to standard time is same like that 8 am. Next 12:28, that is especially particularly understanding 12:28, 12 hour and 25 minutes to refers to after 20 is going on, mention that pm. So we have to write 12 and 28 pm. At lastly we can understanding 16 hour and 20 minutes to refers to that is a small difference about that railway time, and already well known that 12 standard time. Given that railway time 16 hour and 20 minutes subtracted from 12. 12ல இப்போ வந்து 16 12 hourல நம்ம சப்ராக்ஷன் பண்ணோம்னா it will be balance 4 hour and 20 pm. Do you understand all the topics of the time? I hope you well read. Let me see that next discuss about that next topic. Thank you, children.